Printful versus Teespring. Choosing the right print-on-demand platform can transform how you launch your merchandise without upfront costs or inventory hassles. Both offer unique tools for creators and entrepreneurs to sell custom products easily. Printful and Teespring are popular print-on-demand platforms, but they differ in business model and control. Printful acts as a fulfillment partner integrated with your store, while Teespring offers an all-in-one marketplace where you create and sell directly on their platform. Printful is a print-on-demand and dropshipping service that integrates with your existing online store, such as Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. You upload your designs, select products, and Printful handles printing, packing, and shipping when orders come in. Its strengths include wide product variety, high-quality printing, and seamless integration with multiple e-commerce platforms. This gives sellers full control over branding, pricing, and customer relationships. However, Printful requires you to drive your own traffic and manage your store, which can be a challenge for beginners. It also has higher base costs per product compared to some competitors. Printful is ideal for entrepreneurs and established businesses wanting customization, brand control, and scalability without inventory risks. Teespring is a print-on-demand platform that combines product creation, marketing, and sales in one place. You design products and launch campaigns on Teespring's marketplace, which handles production, payment processing, and customer service. Its main strength lies in its ease of use and built-in audience, allowing creators to sell without an external store or marketing setup. Teespring offers fewer customization options and limited product variety compared to Printful, and sellers have less control over branding and pricing. Campaigns run for a limited time, which can restrict ongoing sales. This platform suits creators or influencers seeking a simple, low-effort way to monetize designs quickly, especially if they lack an established e-commerce presence. Printful and Teespring cater to different seller needs. Printful offers deep integration and brand control, perfect for those with existing stores or plans to build a long-term brand. It requires more effort in marketing and store management, but rewards with customization and scalability. Teespring simplifies selling by providing a marketplace and handling all logistics, ideal for beginners or influencers wanting quick setup without managing a store. However, Teespring limits product options and control, and sales depend on marketplace visibility. For entrepreneurs focused on brand building and customer experience, Printful is better. For casual creators seeking easy entry and minimal setup, Teespring is a practical choice. Choose Printful if you want full control over your brand, product variety, and integration with your own online store for long-term growth. Teespring is best for creators looking for a simple, all-in-one platform to start selling quickly without managing a store. Both platforms excel in different areas, so pick the one that matches your business goals and experience level to maximize success.